I stand at the precipice of a new era where the landscape of software engineering is shifting beneath our feet like sand on a beach, reshaped by the relentless tide of artificial intelligence. Just a few years ago, we were knee-deep in the nitty-gritty of code, our fingers dancing over keyboards, crafting algorithms, debugging with fervor, and pouring our creativity into every line. The thrill of solving complex problems, the satisfaction of building something from scratch, was palpable. But now, with AI coding tools entering the arena, everything feels different. It's as if we've been handed a magic wand, one that can conjure solutions in the blink of an eye. At first glance, this seems like a dream come true. Imagine having an assistant that can churn out code snippets, suggest optimizations, and even predict bugs before they rear their ugly heads. It's like having a supercharged brainstorming partner, one that never tires, never sleeps, and always has the latest information at its fingertips. We could be more productive, more creative, and perhaps even more innovative. Yet, as I ponder this transformation, I can't help but feel a twinge of apprehension. What does it mean for the essence of software engineering? Are we on the brink of a renaissance, or are we teetering on the edge of obsolescence? The first thing that comes to mind is the shift in skill sets. As AI takes over the more mundane aspects of coding, the role of the software engineer will inevitably evolve. We'll need to become more like architects than builders, focusing on the overarching design and strategy rather than the minutiae of implementation. This could be liberating, allowing us to tackle larger problems, to think more critically about user experience and system architecture. However, it also raises questions about expertise. Will we lose the depth of knowledge that comes from grappling with complex code? Will new engineers be content to rely on AI suggestions without truly understanding the underlying principles? Then there's the issue of creativity. Coding has always been an art form, a way to express ideas and solve problems in unique ways. With AI suggesting solutions based on patterns and past data, will we find ourselves in a world where innovation stagnates? If we're all relying on the same tools, churning out variations of the same themes, how do we foster true originality? I fear that we might become complacent, leaning too heavily on AI's capabilities rather than challenging ourselves to think outside the box. Collaboration, too, is bound to change. The dynamic between human engineers and AI will redefine teamwork. Imagine a scenario where an AI can analyze the code written by multiple engineers, suggest improvements, and even facilitate seamless integration. This could lead to a more cohesive workflow, but it also raises concerns about the balance of power. Will engineers become mere overseers of AI, or will we find a way to maintain our roles as the creative forces behind the technology? And let's not forget the ethical implications. As AI becomes more integrated into the coding process, questions about accountability and bias will loom large. If an AI generates code that inadvertently perpetuates discrimination or security vulnerabilities, who is responsible? The engineer who oversaw the process? The developers of the AI? We'll need to grapple with these issues, ensuring that as we embrace this new technology, we don't lose sight of our moral obligations. In the end, I believe we stand on the brink of a profound transformation. AI in software engineering has the potential to enhance our capabilities, to push us toward new horizons, but it also demands that we adapt, rethink, and redefine what it means to be a software engineer. It's a call to action, to embrace the change, to harness the power of AI while remaining vigilant stewards of our craft. The future is unwritten, and it's up to us to shape it.